redenominating a share means that a class of share issued in currency X needs to be converted into currency Y. In this tutorial, we will explain how to do this in Eazzy Corporate Secretarial. This specific share transaction will start in the Cancel Convert Redenom tab. Click on the plus New button to open a new Cancel Convert Redenomination form. Insert the date and look for the class of shares to redenominate. The process is the same as for a conversion of shares. In the form, select Conversion for the transaction type and tick the Redenomination checkbox. Note that this action will merely cancel the shares. Import the members affected and ensure that the figures match. Process the transaction and save. And then, in the Issue of Share tab, you will reissue shares in the new currency, and in the Issue of Shares form, select Conversion as transaction type and tick the Redenomination checkbox. In doing so, the share transaction will appear as a redenomination of shares. Ensure that the dates in both the Cancel Convert Redenominate tab and the Issue of Shares are the same. Submit and process as you would for any issue of shares. All the tables get updated. Thanks for your time.